Hi, this is Anna with WTI, and I'm here to tell you my go-to face primer. It's the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. This primer gives you smoothing effect and it minimizes your pores. It truly does transform your face into a flawless canvas. It makes your makeup last a long time. It's the perfect primer for those no makeup days. You can add some glow drops to the primer and give you that flawless finish. It's infused with tea tree and vitamin A and vitamin E, all known for their restorative properties. So if you want to achieve the no makeup look or full glam, the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer is definitely my go-to, and that's my point of view.